All right, here we are back at Coco. After our farmer's market run, we got some awesome BPI certified compostables here. It's gonna make for a great carbon amendment to a really high quality compost. Get them up there on the sorting table, make sure we got nothing we don't need. And this is a great example here of what we're looking at the end of a farmer's market. We've got a lot of really wonderful compostable items, stuff that's gonna work really well as a carbon substitute. And we've got some not so great things. This is why it's important for us to stay really, really conscious of what we're throwing in the compost bin, right? It's important that we're not putting anything that isn't BPI certified. And you're gonna notice the BPI certifications have a really obvious stamp on them. This is how we make sure that everything that goes into our soil is going to be BPI certified. It's going to be a really nice carbon substitute. And you'll see what it becomes is this fantastic, really confetti-like carbon substitute. But this is how we're able to process this material safely and to produce something that is going to be really, really great for yards and gardens. And next, we're going to see where this material goes and how we actually turn it back into earth. And Alex is going to take you over there and show you what's up.
So, now for the fun part. This is where we process your materials and turn it into soil. You're about to watch a chef cook. We have our ingredients here. We have some yard debris, some wood chips, coffee grounds, food scraps. Food scraps have a lot of moisture in them already, so we need to mix it with some dry, carbon-heavy materials, which we happen to have thanks to the farmer's market. We have layers of different materials, which is a nice start, but we have to mix it all together so that the microbes have access to all these different ingredients at the same time. So as the microbes reproduce, they let off heat. All that heat builds up inside here, and as we turn it, we're aerating it and the steam is released. Here's a batch we made a couple weeks ago. It's ready to get reinvigorated, but check this out. Wow, that's hot, which means life is happening. What we're doing here is keeping things out of the landfill because it makes no sense to put these valuable resources into a landfill. Waste is a mindset, and here at Compost Colorado, we see resources.
When you lay finished compost in your yard or in your garden, you turn your home into a site for carbon capture. We've broken so much of our economy and our food system, creating this line between production and landfill, and this is how we start to repair that, turning it into a circle. And you can be a part of a complete loop close by laying this compost right in your yard and in your garden. And we'll see you next week.